Hey y'all, it's Marquita Williams with Black Beauty Aesthetics, and today I'm gonna wax my underarms. So wax my underarms with me. First things first, gotta clean my underarms. I'm gonna do one at a time. I got some hair under there. Ooh, girl. Then we gotta come through and apply some powder to soak up that excess moisture. So now I got my wax and I'm ready. Listen, oh, all my fellow esties, like, don't judge my application. I don't check the hair growth or anything when I'm waxing myself. I'm just going for it. And this is the Golden Allure wax from Sexy Smooth Wax. So I used to like really love Tickled Pink, but then Golden Allure came through and I was like, I love you more. So yeah, Golden Allure is the new it girl. Get my tab together right here. Ooh. Okay, we ready. Oh, okay. Let's see. Can we see the hair on there? Okay, good first pull. So I'm just looking in the mirror behind me, and I think I pretty much got it all with one pull. Go me. So on to the other side, and I'm right-handed, so doing my right arm is always a struggle, like literally. So yep, clean that off too. Lay that powder, dry up that moisture. I hope I can get this one in one pull too. We'll see though. Okay, so I'm gonna use Tickled Pink on this one just because. Okay. Ugh. Already failing. Let's see if we can recover. Ugh. It's so hard applying wax with my left hand. It's so hard for me. I think we got it now. So we're just gonna let that dry. Get ready to pull. Ooh. Oh my God. Okay. We're ready. Ooh. Okay. I don't know if you can see the hair on that. Let's see. Not too shabby. I could do like one cleanup. I'll do the cleanup. Okay. So, gotta get in the mirror so I can get this cleanup. Just that little spot right there. Let that dry. Do not embarrass me. Don't embarrass me. Okay. I think we're good. Now I'm just gonna apply some oil to soothe the area and also get that wax residue off. Okay. Oh. All right. We got 2 smooth underarms. Yay. So if you've never gotten your underarms waxed, I think you should try it. See how quick that was? And I just did myself. It'll be even faster when I'm waxing you. Link in bio to book your appointment.